guys, it's Aimee and welcome back to my channel. Grabe guys, it's been a long time since nag-vlog ako dito sa YouTube and na-miss ko na. Ang last vlog ko I remember is I'm still a student. And girl now, graduated na ako. But anyways, for this video, we're going to do a pack with me for Batangas. Mag-stay kami dun for 2 days and 1 night. And mag-stay kami sa may Pico de Lora Beach and Country Club. Yun yung pinaka-favorite namin hotel sa may Batangas. And a little story down. Dapat pupunta kami noong 2020 but hindi siya natuloy. So, ayun. 4 years kami inantay bago kami makapunta ulit sa Pico de Loro. So, time check is currently 1:31 in the morning and let's start packing. I think I'm gonna get full dress para sa trip namin. I'm choosing between these two white shirts. This one or this one? Ito kasi crop, tapos ito normal size. I don't know. Pag-isipan ko pa. By the way guys, I made a list here sa Notion app kung ano yung mga kailangan kong dalhin. Then, kinategorize ko na rin siya. And while packing, let's do a little life update. So, I'm gonna use this backpack and this is from Jansport. This is my favorite backpack pag mag-overnight lang kami since konti lang naman dadalhin. And kasyang-kasya na to kasi ang laki na itong Jansport na to. Okay, so a little life update. Nag-graduate ako last June 18. And I graduated with cum laude. And I'm so happy kasi first time umakyat yung parents ko with me sa stage and nakakatawa lang. Kasi yun yung pangarap ko ever since dati. Kasi nung grade 1, nagkaroon ako isang honor, like 4th honor, pero hindi na natuloy. Nakaka-proud lang. And then now, I'm a full-time content creator na. And I'm happy with it kasi passion ko kasi ang pagiging content creator ever since dati pa. I'm just happy with my work right now. Struggle guys. Ang hirap maglagay ng one hand. Success! Okay, done na ako with the clothes and now let's move on to the tech stuff. Okay, so here's my mini nightstand and dito yung mga tech stuff ko like my chargers, my power banks, like that. So, ayan na may ipapack natin. For the chargers, dito ako maglalagay and dito ko na nilalagay yung iPad ko but tomorrow ko nilalagay yung mga iPad since gagamitin ko siya later. 2 chargers. This is for my old phone. And I'm gonna charge my pocket Wi-Fi and power bank. So, bukas na rin. Also, I'm gonna bring my glasses since malabong mata natin. And I have my new glasses. This is from Aimee. I super love this frame. Like, ang ganda niya. Like, but that's it. Okay, so next na naman ipapack is makeup. Pero gagamitin ko pa siya bukas. So, tomorrow ko lang ipapack, then pakita ko lang sa inyo. But now, matutulog na ako. See you in the morning. Hi guys, good morning. So, it's currently 6 in the morning. Okay, we're late. Late na ako nagising. Oh my gosh. But anyways, let's do a quick makeup. Tapos, ayun, we need to go na. Ang estimated ng travel time namin is 3 hours. Sana ba hindi traffic. We're done with the makeup. Let's pack it. Okay, we're done packing. So this is my outfit of the day. Mini dress lang na white. This is from Shein. And then I pair it with my necklace and some accessories. Tapos Nike Air Force 1 na haul later. And yeah, we're ready to go. Mag-order kami ng breakfast before mag-travel. It's currently 7:05.
This na a la carte.
Tapos yung
plain
ang pancake.
Ano siya ba?
Isang pancake.
Isang pancake.
Below Coast. We're gonna eat our lunch sa car. Nag-order kami ng Jollibee. Nakatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch and later papasok na kami sa room and I'll give you guys a little room tour. Here's my view as of now. It's so pretty. We're here at Pico de Loro. Okay, so let's do a room tour. So, pagpasok, here's the CR. And the shower. Sink, the usual. And here's the bedroom. Vanity. Then, meron kaming balcony. Here's the balcony naman. And ang ganda ng view namin dito. Lagoon view pinuha namin, pero more on trees na lang. Takpan na yung lagoon. And yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!